Hi, everyone. Welcome to your 10-minute practice on where your attention goes, energy flows. So as we move through all the poses today, my invitation to you is to shift your attention from what you don't like about what your body's able to do today to put your attention on what's physically happening that's going right in your practice. I'll have you start in child's pose. Pull the pit of your belly in towards your spine and notice your fingertips into your mat. And shift your attention to your breath, deep inhale and deep exhale. Walk your hands over to the right side of your mat. You could stack the left hand on top of the right if that feels good. Again, put your attention on your breath. Breathe into the left side of the rib cage. And as you breathe out, pull pit of belly in towards spine. Switch sides. Breathe in on purpose. Breathe out on purpose. One more breath cycle here. Breathe into the right side of the rib cage. Pull belly button towards spine. Breathe out. Tabletop. Breathe in. Come onto the hands and knees. Pull belly button to spine. If you need something under your knees for cushion, please do that. Reach the right arm forward. Breathe in. Look out towards the front edge of your mat. And as you breathe out, extend the left leg back. Adapt as needed so that you can stay in the attention of your breath. Breathe out. Take one more breath cycle here. Tabletop, breathe out. Switch sides, left hand forward, breathe in. You could stay right here, or you could extend the right leg back, breathe out. Pull belly button in towards spine, breathe in. Lift your leg a little higher and arm a little higher, breathe out. Downward facing dog. Send your hips up in the air and take some movement. You might notice your body feeling a certain way and your attention might go to all the reasons why it feels that way. And the invitation is to shift your attention to your breath. Shift your attention to what you're actually seeing in your space. Walk your feet to your hands, ragdoll. Have your feet hip distance or wider apart. Grab onto opposite elbow creases, or you can bring your hands to your thighs. Look to one spot, breathe in, breathe out. Lift your toes away from the mat. Squeeze your legs towards each other. Pull belly button to spine. Reach up, extended mountain pose. Breathe in. Draw hands into heart center. Breathe out. Focus your eyes on the space where your middle fingertips connect, or close your eyes. Take a moment. Feel your breath in. Pull belly button to spine. Feel your breath out. Press your feet into the floor. Reach your arms overhead. Breathe in. Forward fold, bend the knees, squeeze the legs towards each other. Flat back, breathe in. High plank, breathe out. Shift your weight forward over your fingertips, breathe in, look out to one spot. Low plank on your exhale. Inhale to cobra or upward facing dog. Focus your eyes to one spot. Downward facing dog, breathe out. Focus your eyes to one spot. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Kick your right leg up in the air behind you, breathe in. Draw knee towards nose, breathe out. Kick back, breathe in. Draw knee towards right elbow, breathe out. Kick back, breathe in. Draw the knee across, breathe out. Kick back, breathe in. Low lunge, breathe out. Option to lower your back knee to the mat or keep the back knee lifted. Focus your eyes, breathe in. Press the shoulder blades in towards the spine, breathe out. Wiggle your fingertips, feel your fingertips, breathe in. And lunge as deep as you can go right now, breathe out. Inhale here. Twist to the right. You could take a vertical twist, or option to bring the elbow, left elbow to the front thigh. Breathe in. Take your vision, your eyes towards the right, whatever the right is towards you, and use your eyes to deepen the twist. Take another breath in. Lunge deeper, twist a little further, breathe out. Reach your arms back overhead, inhale. High plank, breathe out. Side plank, lower your left knee down to the floor. Reach the right hand up in the air. You're welcome to stay here or stack your feet for more intensity. Take a deep breath in. Look in whatever direction is comfortable for your neck. Breathe in. Option to lift the right leg up in the air. Breathe out. Take one more breath cycle. In and out. Downward facing dog. Kick the left leg up in the air. Breathe in. Draw knee towards nose. Breathe out. Kick back. Breathe in. Draw left knee towards left elbow. Kick back. Breathe in. Bring the knee across on your exhale. Kick back. Breathe in. Low lunge. Breathe out. Press down into the floor. Rise up. Crescent lunge. Inhale. Option to lower the back knee. Exhale. Shift your attention to what is possible for you today. What are you able to do in this moment? Breathe in. Lunge deeper. Breathe out. Stretch the fingertips up towards the ceiling. Breathe in. Twist to the left. Breathe out. Deep breath in. Stay vertical or hook the elbow across the thigh. Breathe out. You get one more breath cycle here. Pull belly button to spine. Look further to the left. Breathe out. Crescent lunge on your inhale. High plank on the exhale. For side plank, other side, lower the right knee down or keep the feet stacked. Send your eyes intentionally to one spot. Breathe in. Pull belly button to spine. Option to float the left leg. Breathe out. Take one more breath cycle here. Empty out. Downward facing dog. Focus your eyes to one spot. Lift your heels, look forward. Exhale, step or jump your feet to your hands. Flat back on the inhale. Fold on the exhale. Extended mountain pose, inhale. Quad stretch, right leg back. Bring the right foot to the hand. Option to grab onto a wall or a chair. Slight bend in the knee. Stay or flip your hand over your foot. Come into dancer pose, kick the leg back. Focus your eyes, see what you're seeing. Breathe in, go a little deeper, breathe out. Switch sides, extended mountain pose, inhale, quad stretch, left foot back. Adapt the pose as you need to for your body today. Shift your attention to what you can do, what is possible, and in the direction of what you want to have happen. Stay or kick the foot back for dancer pose for 5. Breathe on purpose for 4. For 3, 2, see what you're looking at. 1, release, extended mountain pose, inhale. Forward fold, exhale. Flat back, breathe in. Come down to your back, breathe out. For a little bit of core, bring opposite elbow towards opposite knee. Just for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Get even on both sides. Hug the knees into your chest. Big squeeze. Extend your legs up in the air and tuck your hands under your hips. You're welcome to stay here in waterfall pose or come up into shoulder stand. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. One more breath cycle here. Inhale. Exhale. If this feels good, stay here. Otherwise, come into final relaxation just for a couple of breaths. You could bring one hand to heart, one hand to belly. Take a deep breath in. Open mouth, exhale out. One more breath in. One more breath out. And if you have more time in your day, please stay here and let your body receive some stillness. Otherwise, roll over to either side into a fetal position. Deep breath in. And slowly come up to a seated position. Bring your palms to touch each other at the center of your chest. One more big breath in. Empty out. Slowly open your eyes. And I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Namaste.